I want to share something close to my heart. You see, truck driving is not just a job for us. It's a family tradition. My mom was a truck driver. My sister is a truck driver. And even my son is continuing the legacy. We're proud to call truck driving our family business. I've been in this industry since I was 10 years old. I've seen how hard truckers work, the sacrifices they make, the time I spend away from home. It's not easy, but let me tell you something. We have so much respect for truck drivers. You're the real heroes, the backbone of our nation. We believe that being a truck driver is not just a job, it's a career to be proud of. So to all you amazing truckers out there, thank you for keeping our nation moving, for making sure the shelves are stocked, and for connecting our world. Together, let's celebrate the legacy and future of truck driving. We're honored to be on this journey with you at Masters Trucking Academy.